Area codes have been a staple of telephone communication since the mid-20th century. But as we move forward into the digital age, their role is evolving. Let's dial into the future of area codes and explore what changes might be on the horizon. The current state of area codes. Area codes were introduced as part of the North American numbering plan to facilitate direct long-distance dialing without the need of an operator. Each area code covers a specific geographic region, with more populated areas receiving lower digit codes due to the ease of dialing on rotary phones. The evolution of area codes. As populations grow and the demand for phone numbers increases, the NANP has had to adapt. This has led to the introduction of new area codes, often through a process called an overlay, where a new area code is added to the same geographic region as an existing one. This allows for more phone numbers without changing existing ones. Future area codes. The list of future North American area codes shows that new codes are being planned to address the exhaustion of current ones. For example, British Columbia is set to receive the 257 area code in the fourth quarter of 2025. These changes are subject to adjustments during implementation, but they show a clear trend toward expansion. Alternative considerations. With the advent of mobile phones and voice over internet protocol, area codes have become more flexible. Technological advancements have allowed for non-geographic area codes and made them portable, meaning you can keep your number even if you move to a different area. Improving area code function. The Federal Communications Commission has expanded requirements for 10-digit dialing in certain states to accommodate the implementation of the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline, which uses the 3-digit number 988. This is an example of how the function of area codes is being improved to serve broader purposes. The future is flexible. As we look ahead, it's clear that area codes will continue to adapt to our changing communication needs. They may become less tied to specific locations and more integrated with our digital identities. The NANP's ongoing planning efforts ensure that despite the growing demand for numbers, we won't run out of area codes anytime soon. In conclusion, while the future of area codes is not set in stone, it's evident that they will remain an essential part of our telecommunication infrastructure, albeit with a modern twist to meet the demand of the digital era. For more detailed information on upcoming area code changes, you can visit the Wikipedia page on future North American area codes or check out the Area Code News for recent updates at the link listed. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope this information has provided you with a clear picture of the future of area codes. They're more than just numbers. They're a reflection of our society's growth and technological progress. As we continue to connect in new ways, area codes will surely evolve to keep us all on the line. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.